Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling with scattered documentation, support tickets piling up, or inconsistent internal training, then stick around, because today we're diving deep into Document360, an AI-powered knowledge-base platform designed to help teams build smarter, scalable documentation. Over the past few weeks, I've been testing Document360 hands-on, including its AI writing agent and Eddy AI. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how these features can literally save your support team hours of work, improve product adoption, and keep your internal SOPs clean, clear, and consistent. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether Document360 is worth trying. And the good news is they offer a 14-day free trial with no credit card needed. Let's get started. Here's the issue. Most companies store their documentation in messy silos: Slack messages, Notion pages, PDFs in Dropbox, and even outdated wikis no one updates. The result? Customers can't find answers, employees keep asking the same questions, and onboarding feels like a guessing game. Document360 solves this by giving you a centralized, easy-to-use knowledge base for standard docs like FAQs, tutorials, and product updates, private internal docs like SOPs, HR policies, API docs, and internal wikis. It also gives you powerful tools to write, organize, search, and maintain all this content at scale, with AI doing a lot of the heavy lifting. Let's talk about the AI writing agent. Reclaimed. This is by far one of the standout features of Document360. Imagine you're writing a technical article or a how-to guide. You can now highlight any paragraph, click, rewrite, and boom! AI instantly gives you a more polished version. Want to shorten a long section? Just click Summarize. This tool helps clean up clunky sentences, improves grammar, and enhances readability, without removing your voice or technical accuracy. Makeshift. It's not just a writing assistant, it's a productivity booster for documentation teams. The best part? Undergrad works right inside the block-based editor, so you're not jumping between tabs or external tools like ChatGPT or Grammarly.
Document360's editor is modern and flexible. You can insert blocks like headings, tabs, accordions, even flowcharts. Prefer Markdown? You can switch back and forth with no formatting loss. You can also drag in images and videos. Everything's optimized automatically. Now let's talk about Eddy AI. This is Document360's built-in AI-powered search assistant and chatbot. Here's how it works. Ambiguous of forcing users to dig through 50 help articles, Eddy lets them just ask a question. It scans your actual knowledge base and gives an instant, accurate response, like a virtual support rep that's available 24/7. So instead of submitting a support ticket, your users get the answer immediately, saving time for both your users and your support team. Eddy AI is especially powerful because it's trained only on your content, not some general AI model from the internet. It means the responses are context-aware, correct, and tailored to your business. You can even embed Eddy into your public help center or private internal wiki, depending on who you're serving. You also get analytics like user behavior, article performance, and search terms with 0 results, so you can fill gaps fast. And security's rock solid: role-based access, private knowledge bases, IP restrictions, and daily backups. Document360 offers 3 plans: Professional, Business, and Enterprise. This plan's tier adds features like Eddy AI, API access, and SSO. They don't list public pricing. You'll need to contact them. Do get a 14-day free trial, no credit card required. If you're serious about clean, scalable documentation, Document360 is worth it. The AI writing agent and Eddy AI are more than just nice-to-haves. They're genuinely useful tools that save time and improve quality. So grab the link in the description, start your free trial, and see how it works for your team. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe for more, and drop your questions below. I reply to every comment. Thanks for watching.